Hi, Dick Rochfort here in 600 Yankee Papa. It's Piper Meridian M600, and this is the G3000 avionics suite.
November 60 Alpha, contact number
Probably know.
25.8.
I just want to point out we've got a VNAV lined up here, armed. So we were cleared pilot's discretion to 4,000.
So we center 600 Yankee Papa, leaving 10,000 for 4,000.
0 Yankee Papa, thank you.
So that the process is put the 4 in there, and then when you get to the vertical speed that you set up earlier, the system will say to you vertical track, arm the VNAV, and then when the carrot centers, the airplane will start down.
November 4 Kilo Tango, descend to maintain 7,000.
It's a very simple system, but when used properly, it
November 534 Kilo Tango, descend to maintain 7,000.
decreases workload for the single pilot aviator. That's
4 Kilo Tango, cleared back on course direct destination.
a huge advantage. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Air Shuttle 6062, Nashville 119.35.
Train off it.
19.35, Air Shuttle 6062.